I compared Scribus and Affinity Publisher, and honestly, they're both strong desktop publishing tools. But they're aimed at different types of users. Scribus is completely free and open source, which makes it a great option if you're on a budget or just getting started with layout design. It has all the essentials for creating magazines, brochures, flyers, and books. But the interface feels outdated, and the workflow can be a bit clunky compared to newer tools. There's also a learning curve, especially if you're used to polished commercial software. Affinity Publisher, on the other hand, is far more modern and intuitive. The interface is clean, responsive, and packed with features like master pages, advanced typography, pre-flight checks, and seamless integration with Affinity Photo and Designer. It's a one-time purchase, so you get professional-grade tools without a subscription. The downside? It's not open source, and long-term support depends on serif's development decisions. Performance-wise, Affinity Publisher is smoother and easier to use for most people. Scribus wins in terms of cost and freedom. So which is better? If you want polished tools and professional output with minimal frustration, Affinity Publisher is the clear winner. If you want free, open-source software and don't mind a dated interface, Scribus gets the job done.